Hello guys, welcome back to Unicorn Academy. In this video, we're gonna have a look at top 10 engineering colleges of Madhya Pradesh. Before starting, if you're not subscribed our channel, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon for further updates on college reviews, college comparisons and much more. So let's get started. At number 10, Ujjain Engineering College is placed. Ujjain Engineering College is an engineering college in Ujjain in the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. The college was established by the government of Madhya Pradesh in 1966. It has a campus size of around 300 acres. It has a total student intake of 330. Out of the total students, 45% students approximately get placed with a median salary of 3,50,000 and the mode of admission is JEE Mains. UIT RGPV is placed at number 9. University Institute of Technology RGPV, popularly known as UIT RGPV or UIT RGTU, is a public institution located in Bhopal, India. The institution was established by the government of Madhya Pradesh with the name Government Engineering College. It is an autonomous institution as of 1986. It has a campus size of around 214 acres. It has a student intake of 660 students. Its placement is around 50% with a median salary of 3,75,000. Mode of admission to this college is through JEE Mains. Ravindranath Tagore University is placed at number 8. Formerly known as ASECT University, it is a private university established by All India Society for Electronics and Computer Technology. It is recognized by University Grant Commission and the Madhya Pradesh state government. It was established in 2010. It has a campus size of around 50 acres. It has a student intake of 330. Out of the total 275 students opting for placement, 33 students got placed and 170 students were selected for higher studies. It has a median salary of 3,50,000. Mode of admission to this college is through AJEE examination. Overall, it has an NIRF rank of 186. Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology is placed at number 7. LNCT Bhopal is a technology-oriented institute of higher education established by LNCT Group of Colleges. It was established in 1993. It has a campus size of around 35 acres. Student intake of this college is 1,140. Out of the total 1,097 students opting for placement, 828 students got placed and 166 students selected for higher studies. And the median salary offered to them was 4 lakhs. Mode of admission to this college is through CMAT examination. Overall, it has a NIRF rank of 184. SGSITS Indore is placed at number 6. Sri Govindram Sekhsaria Institute of Technology and Science is a college funded by the state government of Madhya Pradesh and is located in Indore, India. It was established in 1952 as a technical institute of offering licentiate and diploma courses and in engineering. It has a campus size of around 36 acres. Total student intake of this college is 720. Out of the total 698 students opting for placement, 418 students got placed and 207 students were selected for higher studies. The median salary offered was 5,20,000. Mode of admission to this college is through JEE Mains. Overall, it has a NIRF rank of 181. Amity University is placed at number 5. Amity University Gwalior is a private university located in Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 2010 by the state government. It is affiliated by UGC and is accredited grade A by the NAAC. It has a campus size of around 102 acres. Total student intake of this college is 150. Out of the total 213 students opting for placement, 159 students got placed and 30 students were selected for higher studies. Overall median salary offered was 3,50,000. Mode of admission to this college is through JEE Mains and Amity JEE examination. Overall, it has a NIRF rank of 154. AVV Triple ITM Gwalior is placed at number 4. Atal Bihari Vajpayee Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, commonly known as IIIT Gwalior, is a university located in Madhya Pradesh, India. It was established in 1997 and named for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It was recognized as an institute of national importance. It has a campus size of around 160 acres. It has a student intake of 74. Though placement records are not announced officially, but it should have a good placement record. The mode of admission to this college is through JEE Mains examination. IIIT DM Jabalpur is placed at number 3. Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing Jabalpur focuses on information technology enabled design and manufacturing. It was declared to be Institute of National Importance by Government of India under IIIT Act. It was established in 2005. It has a campus size of around 500 acres. It has a student intake of 329. Out of the total 262 students opting for placement, 146 students got placed and 78 students were selected for higher studies. Median salary offered was 9,43,000. Mode of admission to this college is through JEE Mains. Overall, it has a NIRF rank of 80. Manit Bhopal is placed at number 2. Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology Bhopal is a public technical university located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India. It is a part of NITs. It is named after the independent India's first Minister of Education, scholar and independence activist Abul Kalam Azad, who is commonly remembered as Maulana Azad. It was established in 1960. It has a campus size of around 650 acres. It has a student intake of 919. Out of the total 816 students opting for placement, 614 students got placed and 32 students were selected for higher studies. The median salary offered is 7,50,000. Mode of admission to this college is through JEE Mains. Overall, it has a NIRF rank of 60. IIT Indore is placed at number 1. Indian Institute of Technology Indore is an autonomous public technical and research institute located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. IIT Indore was founded in 2009 among the 8 young IITs. IIT Indore is officially recognized as an institute of national importance by the Government of India. It has a campus size of around 501 acres. It has a student intake of 294. Out of the total 226 students opting for placement, 126 students got placed and 19 students were selected for higher studies. The median salary offered is 16,50,000. Mode of admission to this college is through JEE Advanced examination. Overall, it has a good NIRF rank of 13. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, then do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications of these type of videos.